Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing another celebrity inspired makeup look. I'm doing this one that was done on Hailey Bieber by Mary Phillips, who I think I said in a previous video, she's one of my favourite celebrity makeup artists. So it is this look, I will put it on the screen. So it's quite a simple eye look, quite a glowy skin with a dark bold lip. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is do my lips, because obviously I'm going to be wearing a dark lip. So I'm just going in with a lip moisturizer, lip balm. This is a ginger balm which has beeswax in, which I found has been really good for my lips recently, as they have been really dry. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm gonna go in first and just prime my skin. So to prime my skin, I'm going in with the Hula Hendrickson Banana Bright powder primer, and I'm just gonna apply that onto the areas around my face that I want to kind of mattify a little bit, so around my T-zone. Foundation, I'm going in with a number 7 one. This is a new one that I've been wanting to try. It's a triple action serum foundation, SPF 15, suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna give this a shake. I don't know if this is my colour, it looks kind of pink, but we'll have a go. So again, just taking this on a little flat brush and just applying it onto my skin. So I know Hailey works really closely with Bare Minerals, which is quite a lightweight brand and all about kind of keeping your skin looking as natural and as clean as possible. So that's why I'm reusing this number 7 one. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with 2 different ones. I'm going in with the Collection Lasting Perfection in the shade xoxo, and the Misguided Meet Your Match in the shade number 1, I think. So I'm just going in with the shade xoxo first, and just applying that onto these areas first, and then I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. And then to add a little bit more of a lighter highlight, just in like underneath my eyes, tip of my nose, and then in between my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Misguided one and just kind of bouncing that in to those areas. Then for contour, I'm going in with 2 different ones again, and I'm going to take the Misguided one and contour and sculpt my face. So I'm taking this up the cheeks, around my jawline, down this side, and I'm kind of like bringing it upwards. And then I'm going to take the Nutmeg contour and take this and contour my nose, because it's a little bit of a lighter shade and it's on an easier applicator. So contouring that right up into the brows. And then again blending that all in. Look kind of crazy. For the nose contour, I'm going to use this kind of brush and just bring it downwards. So for brows, I'm gonna brush them up and then do a little bit of a soap brow, because on the photo Hailey doesn't look like she has much of her brows filled in. So I'm just gonna brush them up and go in with my soap brow. So just taking a little spoolie and brushing the soap through the brows. And then I'm gonna go in with my Misguided brow gel and just brush a little bit through, just to darken the hairs a little bit. Okay, so there are the eyebrows. To add a bit of blush, I'm going in with my Ghost lip crayon, but I like to use it as a blush, and I just blend it in to give a little flush to the cheeks. And then we can move on to the eyes. So I've moved in a little bit so you can get a little closer look at the eyes. So for this, she has quite a simple eye look. She just has kind of like a bit of brown and then some silver shine through them. So for that, I'm going to be picking a palette. I'm going to use the Zoeva Spice of Life palette, and the first shade I'm going to go into is of the Flavour, which is this colour here, and just kind of dust that into my eye socket. So just dust that all into the socket and keeping it quite rounded. And then just blend out all the edges, because this look needs, the top eyeshadow is just kind of like a base really. I'm then gonna go into the shade Shared Joys, just this Shared Joy, and just apply that onto the outer V of the eye, just to deepen it up a little bit. And again, blending. So I am actually going to go into another palette, which is the Cocoa Blend one by Zoeva again, and I'm going to go into the shade Beans Are White, which is this colour here, and I'm just going to run this along my lash line to kind of give the effect of the fuller lashes. So just using an angled brush and just running this along the lash line. So you can see the difference between that one and that one. So for the glitter part, I'm going back into the shade the palette Spice of Life, and I'm taking the shade Unlike Any Other, which is this silver here, this one here, and I'm going to take that on a little flat brush like this, and I'm just going to sweep it in, kind of pick up a little bit of colour and just glide that over the eyelid. So coming back onto the rest of the face, I'm just going to use a pressed powder. So I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and just press that into my skin. Just going to use a flat brush and just kind of apply it underneath my eyes just to kind of remove any sheen. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger, fluffier brush and just apply it all over the cheeks. So I am actually going to go into the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Contour Kit, and I'm going to go into the shade 1 and just contour my cheeks out. This is more of like a contour shade, so it has more of like a grey undertone. And then I'm going to go into the shade 2 Blend and just kind of bronze my face up a little bit more, and then go back into the powder brush and just highlight underneath the eyes. So moving back onto the eyes, I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with a brown eye pencil, so just taking any one really and going in the lower lashes. So for the lower lashes, I'm going back into the shade Shared Joy and just running this along the lash line. She has quite a deep colour on the lower lashes, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to go into shade Cocoa Blend, the Cocoa Blend palette, and the Beans Are White, and I'm going to take this and run it really close to the lash line. So for mascara, one that I've really been enjoying is the Maybelline one, and I'm just going to apply that onto my lashes. Doesn't look like she has individuals on. Oh, she just looks like she has quite a lot of mascara on, so that is what I'm gonna do. She has no mascara on the lower lashes, so that is not what I'm not gonna put any on. So it's lips now. So for lips, I'm gonna take this shade here and mix it with a red, because her lips look like they have a tinge of a red in, but it's that dark berry colour, so I'm just going to fill my lips in with that colour. See, I think that's too light. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because that colour is too red. I'm going to go into my Revolution palette, and I'm going to mix this colour here with a little bit of purple and see what that does. Post them. That's better. No, not on my freshly cleaned carpet. No. So here is the finished look. I really like this look. It's really simple. I love the bold lip. It's something that I wouldn't normally wear, which is nice, and I think it kind of brings the whole look together. Yeah, so I'll put on the screen here a photo of Hailey, and I'll find one that I've taken of myself, and it's a recreation attempt. So yeah, if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video on Sunday, which will be my birthday video. My birthday is on Saturday the 13th, 22. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button. And that's everything. Nails. Thanks for watching.